ain't gon' stop. Drop it. I'ma make $1 million then stand on the top of it. Rocking it till the day I die in this game. Archie with the fat boy adding the fire to the flame. Well, who's ready now? Come on, well, who's ready now? Come on, well, who's ready now? Come on, well, who's ready now? Well, who's ready now? Yeah, we bout that head bustin'. Wheelie your cousin, what's up? I'm country boy, you said something. If you're ready, why you stumbling to the flow? Huh? If you're ready, why you stuttering? I ain't Joe. I'ma show 'em why they call us dirty. There is no mercy for player haters, cause you ain't worthy. Heard of me then? Hell no, but boy, I bet you done heard of me now. Atlanta, Georgia, where the dirty be found. See, I done did this since my younger days. Only 16, but my pocket's never underage. So let's get paid, cause I stay ready for the cheese. And you is crazy if you think that you ready for me. So who's ready now? Well, who's ready now? Come on, well, who's ready now? Come on, well, who's ready now? Come on, well, who's ready now? Well, who's ready
Bubble baby, trouble baby, did my thing, love me, hate me. All in London, yelling Georgia, Euro better suffocate me. Hold it down for country, leave them others up to shady. Give a damn if silly sisters think I'm good or lucky, pay me. Tell them why shit, they don't want it, however they can get it. Told them about that chatter, y'all better go on with it. Infiltrated mainstream, maintaining the same theme. Polo shirts and pig, can't even get them stains clean. Ain't too much I ain't seen. In between LaGrange Athens, ups and downs, rights and lefts, all around me, planes is crashing. Anyhow, we ready now, the new South has arrived. These savages is finna eat and won't stop till they satisfied.